Shu-ha-da rainbow color. Wow, it has an orange color, wide yellow color.
Uh-oh.
Green color, wow. Blue color. Wide pink color. No, everything is muddy. Let's collect it in this basket, friends. Okay, Waddy said, this one is blue. Wow. Oh, this one is green. Oh, that seems like an anomaly. Wad-daw wad-wah. Look, guys, this one is huge.
Oh no!
Wow, green color. Wow, that looks cool. Let's collect. Let's wash it clean. Okay. Wow, this looks like a shooter toy. Oh my God, what toy is this? Wow. Wow, yellow color. Wow, insects it seems. Wow, blue color. Wow, that looks cool. Wow, what animal? Witty. This looks like a character mask, guys. Now that toys are gone, they're all collected. Let's find some clean water. Let's go. Waddy, there seems to be clean water. Wow, it's so fresh, friends. Let's wash this toy, shall we? Let's go. Yums go. The first one is blue. Lel McQueen appeared. Wow, one. Wow, that's really cool. Wow. Let's wash it again. This one is pink. Waddy said, police officer's car. Wow, cool. Wow. Next we wash green, yes. Okay. Wow, very muddy. Bim Salabi race car, music amazing, it's so cool. Next we wash it blue. What, this is shootout? God bounce, steady right. Now let's wash this, yeah, very muddy, friends. Well, it's a sand truck. Music we hey, cool once here. Wow, what kind of animal is this? Orange color? Oh, it turns out to be a jaguar. Wow, bounce. Music, wow, fruit animal it seems. Witty. What animal is this one? Let's wash it. Well, it's a rooster. Wow. Every single one. Next we have a green cat. Okay, witty, it turns out. Loader Waddy apparently. Turned out really cool, guys. Next we wash this one. Yeah, character. W. Bim Salabim. It turned out to be Hulek Bounce. Steady right. What animals do we wash next, friends? Orange colored. He turned out to be cute crabs. Music wad-daw wad-daw. All cool, guys. Wow, this one is huge. Guess what, friends? We wash. What is this? It turned out to be a mill car. Wow, that's huge. Right, left finger. Okay, we have vehicle for stirring sand. It's steady. What animal is next, friends? No, it turns out God. Wow, that's so cool. We wash the green again. Wow, Thomas Train. Well, it's clean. We put it here. Wow, this one is green. Wadwa, Mr. T and I. Wow, that's cool. Next we wash this one, guys. Very muddy. Ooh. Hey, it turns out the Game Boy is really cool, guys. This one is pink. Wadita turned out to be the end of Sayer. Wow, that's so funny.
It's myself! I'm getting my belt back! I'm fine.
Next, we wash the blue one. Wad-daw turned out to be a Berber. Music. Oh, that's cool. This insect looks like we washed it. It turned out to be a Scorpio. Oh, that's cool. Next we wash yellow. Yes, friends. Very muddy. Wow, look at friends. Engine party proceeds. Wow. What is it, friends? Witty, witty, that is yellow. Wow. Ambulance. Applause vehicles for transporting the sick. Wow, this one is green. A steel tank appeared. Wow, Mr. T and I vehicle friends. My God, what mask is this? We wash. Wide, wide. It turned out to be a look. Wow, one. Next we wash the yellow color. Yes. Well, it turns out to be a rocket car. Wow, that bounces. Steady right. What kind of toy is this, friends? Wow, the saw toy is so cool. What animal is next, friends? Pink in color. Weehey turns out to be a crocodile. Waddy said we put it here. The next one is yellow. Very muddy, yes. Wow, train locomotives. It's cool. Wow, the toys are out of stock, friend. It's all clean. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe. Drugs.